Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to make Smoothie King smoothies. So the first thing I will teach you is where to find these recipes. So there are a lot of recipes that you can choose from and you can find it in makedrinks.org. So you'll just have to find for smoothie recipes and Smoothie King banana boats or the others right here. So let's actually go with this Smoothie King the Hulk vanilla. Since I like vanilla myself, let's check it out. So right here, let's check out the recipe. So key ingredients. So the key ingredients are bananas, butter, pecan ice cream, milk, turbinado, whey protein powder, and collagen boost, which is going to be optional for you, of course. So let's head on to the recipe. So step one is placing the bananas and the butter pecan ice cream and milk and the turbinado and the whey protein powder into a blender and secure the lid. So you'll start the blender on the lowest speed and steadily ramp it up until the highest. So this will reduce wear and tear on the motor of your actual blender, and then it will also facilitate a more consistent blend and help prevent food splatter onto the lid and sides. So this is just a quick tip right there. So yeah, blend for approximately 30 seconds until a smooth consistency is achieved. So if you see it's still clumpy, I suggest you just gradually slowly start again and then pour into a glass for immediate refreshment or just place in the fridge and then you can enjoy it later. And it's just that simple. So there are a lot of Smoothie King recipes right here in makedrinks.org that you can check out. So again, the ingredients are going to be listed here and you can also check out other ingredients if you want to. So basically that's how you make a Smoothie King smoothie.